Sagdinan lā-lā-hū-sākh, Syriac. Sagdinan, Lord, we praise you. In your lā-lā-hū-sākh, in your divinity, and in your humanity. Palackal means doubt. Palackal means without doubt. We praise you, Lord, in your humanity and divinity without doubt. Well. Palackal also has a different meaning. Division. So lā-lā-hū-sākh means without division. Then the meaning changes. We praise you, Lord, in your undivided humanity and divinity. Do you see the seriousness? Undivided humanity and divinity. How much blood we shed for this idea of understanding how human and divine natures combined in the person of Jesus Christ. How many divisions took place in the church among Christians? Council of Chalcedon, Council of Ephesus, all these issues were beautifully resolved in the 6th century poem written by Malabar, a saint. How in 2 words, so many layers of meanings were compressed. And our forefathers were saying this. On the one hand, the Portuguese missionaries were saying, these are not real Catholics. These St. Thomas missionaries are not real Catholics. They don't have the correct theology. But we were singing, your undivided humanity and divinity, we praise you without doubt.